Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Babalik na naman tayo sa vlog guys.
Mapriso ka!
Medyo naayos na yung YouTube channel natin. Ito, panoorin niyo itong bagong upload natin. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Huh? Hmm?
Okay, as you can see, gentlemen, this black man is in imminent danger. His position is set on the line of crime. Okay? That resulted in a serious accident. This example, gentlemen, as you can see, if somebody this is the result.
Jud ko musugot og lalaking way panod bras. Ew, bayak.
Arte-arte mura gwapa. Hay no ning apiki kay mga dagway. Mauna noon ni grabe kay nawayon. Naunsa pagpuyo day oy kung ako pa nimo magpuyo ka.
Ma, naglalaro ba kayo ng baril-barilan ni Papa kagabi?
Hindi naman, baby. Bakit mo natanong yan?
Rinig kasi kita kagabi, sabi mo kay Papa, mahal, wag mo munang iputok. Hindi pa ako
So that we
ready.
can avoid any serious accidents. Okay, so for line supervision should be ensured or discussed in our workers to do not enter in the barricaded area while moving the equipment. Okay, remind every day our crew, okay, to avoid any serious accidents while moving the equipment. Not just only the forklift, gentlemen, ha? This one, man lift, backroom, mobile crane. Okay? Understand, gentlemen? Before we come inside the barricade, just coordinate. Just coordinate in the line supervision to the flagman or to the safety in charge in the area before you enter the barricade. Understand? Okay. This example is included also in the road. Somebody crossing in the road, straight line like this. But we need